Hello, today we are going to discuss on robots and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is arguably the most exciting field in robotics. It is certainly the most controversial. Everybody agrees that a robot can work in an assembly line, but there is no consensus on whether a robot can ever be the intelligent. Like the term robots itself, artificial intelligence is hard to define. Ultimately, AI would be the recreation of the human thoughts and process of man-made machine with our intellectual abilities. This would include the ability to learn just about anything, the ability to reason, the ability to use the language, and ability to use the formulate original ideas. Robotics are nowhere near achieving the level of artificial intelligence, but they have made a lot of progress with a more limited AI. Today, our AI machines can replicate some specific elements of the intellectual ability. Computers can already solve the problems in limited realms. The basic idea of AI problem solving is very simple, though its execution is complicated. First, the AI robot or the computer gathers the facts from the situation through the sensors or human input. The computer compares this information to stored data and decides whether the information signifies. The computer runs through the various possible actions and predicts which action will be best successful based on the collected information. Of course, the computer can only solve the problems it is programmed to solve. It does not have any generalized analytical ability. Chess computers are one of examples of this sort of machine. Some modern robots also have the ability to learn in a limited capacity. Learning robotic recognize if a certain action moving its legs in a certain way, for instance, achieving a desired result, navigating an obstacle. The robot stores this information and attempts the successful action next time it encounters with the same situation. Again, modern computers can only do this in a very limited situations. They cannot absorb any sort of information like human can. Some robots can only learn by mimicking human actions. In Japan, robotics have taught a robot to dance by demonstrating the moves themselves. The real challenge of artificial intelligence is to understand how the intelligent really works. Developing AI is not like building an artificial heart. Scientists don't have a simple concrete model to work for. We do know that the brain contains the billions and billions of neurons. Exactly on how these connections aid up higher reasoning or even how-level operations. The complex circuitry seems incomprehensible. Because of this, AI is a research largely theoretical. Scientists hypothesize on the how we learn and think, and they experiment with their ideas using the robots. Brooks and his teams from the humanoid robots because they feel that being able to experience the old human is essential into developing human-like intelligence. It also makes it easier for people to interact with the robots, which potential makes it easier for the robot to learn. In any cases, robots will play a larger role in our daily lives in future. In the coming decades, robots will gradually move out of the industrial and scientific world and daily life in the same way the computers spread through the home in the 1980s. The best way to understand robots is to look at the specific designs. Thank you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment. And we'll update such type of videos on days ahead. Thank you.